Durand Cup trophy, looking to become the first side since East Bengal in the 1990s to do so. It was a fairly tentative start, but they got themselves underway. It was a mistake by Mirshad, who pushed the ball straight back out into the feet of Ashir Akhtar, who was able to get his first Durand Cup goal. Aladdin Ajare was involved in the build-up. Diamond Harbour had a couple of chances prior to that, but really the goalkeeper, the ball just bouncing up and hitting him on the chest. And Ashir Akhtar, who was onside, able to his side put the ball into the empty net and put North East United in front on the half hour. Great moment for him. First goal in 16 Durand Cup games. And a second came in first half stoppage time. Partik Gogoi finding space in behind the defence once more, just opening himself up to fly past Mirshad. John Abraham in the VIP area, high-fiving everybody. Partik with his second goal of this edition of the Durand Cup. And it doubled their advantage just before half-time. Well, they started brightly in the second half as well. Everything going through Aladdin Ajare. A lovely ball across for Toy Singh to guide that one in from close range. Ajare, 7 goals to his name himself. A lovely ball across. And at 3-0, Karen, there really was no way back for Diamond Harbour.
Sheer dominance there by North East United, and Aladdin Ajare at the helm of it. Turn provider there, and then there was a glimmer of hope when Luka Machin, with that big deflection, got this goal to his name. It was a strong header there first time around, and then Machin.
Yeah, Luka Machin in the right place at the right time, just getting that deflection to send it past Burmese into the bottom corner. And a lifeline at 3-1 for Diamond Harbour. But that lifeline didn't last long. McCartan headed the ball back, and Jairo just got the ball out of his feet, guided it into the bottom corner. An excellent finish from the Spaniard.
Yeah, look at that for a finish. In between the defender's legs, and finds its way into the bottom corner there. And this time around, when North East United celebrated, they knew that it was a goal to celebrate, a goal where they knew they've lifted the Indian Oil Durand Cup trophy, and then every goal after that was a bonus. Aladdin Ajare once again identifies that run in behind the left back, who has no idea who he should mark, who has no idea that there's a man behind him free, and then a delicate finish, maybe not intentional, over the goalkeeper. Another goal there for North East United.
And Ajare finally getting on the score sheet with the penalty, having won the penalty after the foul by Ruat Kima, firing into the net by the underside of the bar for his 8th goal, and rounding off 6-1 win for North East United, who take their second successive title. John Abraham once again with the trophy, as we did last year after the presentation, the 3 trophy for North East United. So we've got the presentation and ceremony coming up on the other side. Don't go anywhere. Pala will drive.